The former board chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Dr. Kwame Kyei, or the revelations be able to abonting. I know what day, I know what she. Yent mean Janet Trakeke, Emanenko, because in 70 be a serious. And I am Ponsa management report or join or mention names of board members, maybe say omo committees ka. Na ska o ka say board chairman Dr. Kwame Kyei a committee no. Kwame Kyei di nchirimu aba say ska o de ma e brosa o me ma Kotoko ska bia sa sika no amba report nim na sika no e wo henfa. Yeri mu nchirimu no e pro. Ya tena se e wo ahase no. Me pa cho aha e Super 24 TV. Na Super 24 TV pa cho unsubscribe ya. Adarma no hit the rest subscribe button. And then first time I open so Mr. Don't hesitate say obe press the subscribe button so no press notification no. Information the ebi will be ase and that information no as in when it happens e de be bro. Ye nuanum bi nsem no agenda nti aya na omo ka chia ne pa. But Super 24 dey you say nsem no as it happens, what happens and why it happens no e de be bro. Hey, Gazelle, Nitikika, Gazelle, Abulai Gazelle, or a former assistant coach of Krobia Sante Kotoko. Information about say Gazelle, I likely see a Bejano coin. Bema baby, because Coach Ogum adding a technical team, Eba, or the two assistant coaches, Eba. In Bakwa between David Oklo, which is confirmed. But the can also and also why in but Ubi and Peso Bedin because I confirm. And the Gazelle, according to information, they say Gazelle will be relieved of the duties. But another drop of information ever said was a Gazelle a fan on a Casa Uncle, the youth coach, or Kotoko junior side. Now, one had a consideration be a PM. Now, we're reverted to the youth players now on your Makudika Suboma, and also a piece of good news to Gazelle. The Yatsino. Now, Danlad Ibrahim's information I mean say catcher say currently Kotoko captain because Agadas and now or the main captain of the club. Agadas, Sisi or the Nanyache Alali Bangazi, Libya, and the Kotoko captains in Edaho. Now, Danlad Ibrahima wabo Black Meteors near exposure near the no send him Casa, and Time the Mate and I mean to make yes say a quiet see a handle no hono. Obetimi LED Kotoko as captain. Na unya captain or a goalkeeper so to be a ball yen kind of to be a boa pa. And on it yamati. Now Kotoko Dr. Kwame Kyei na Yaw Amponsah ensem so. Eti sen ankasa. De etieni Yaw Amponsah reports no mind or let's stay board no kophobia board members ni bi omumeska but na obi na lead yenye Dr. Kwame Kyei. Na saa de way. And na Dr. Kwame Kyei chirimu say sika wo de amakotoko no e bro sa list na e ba bonten no na ono no o kai say match bi kra Africa ene some games bi ene Kotoko Premier League games bi o me maska $30,000 $20,000 and $100,000 Ghana cedis bi eno no kikabuma ni nyina e ko over 6 billion old Ghana cedis ni nyina wasn't captured in the report eno no na o state claim or making it clear ama sebi mfuturu amanfo etunamu no when you beka say be set records ni street na ni nyina no ya to ama ne the auditing team a omo hwehwem no krabi e wombia no ebepie baalu udi hyensu ase a ommem kofom se den ebepie pa cho ma me fa hunsi ya na me nda wase ye be se hia ba unsubscribe ya no wa hit the rest subscribe because